Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce security overheads with Trend Micro, beginner guide step by. To begin reducing security overheads with Trend Micro, start by assessing your current security needs. Identify the specific threats your organization faces. Review existing security tools and their effectiveness. Next, visit the Trend Micro website to explore available solutions tailored to your requirements. Consider downloading a free trial to evaluate its features hands-on. Install the software on a test machine to familiarize yourself with the interface. Once installed, navigate to the dashboard to gain an overview of the security status. Configure the initial settings based on your organizational policies. Start by enabling real-time protection to safeguard your systems immediately. Next, schedule regular scans to ensure continuous monitoring for vulnerabilities. Explore the threat intelligence features to stay informed about the latest threats. Use the centralized management console for streamline control over all devices. Integrate the tools with existing infrastructure to maximize effectiveness. Monitor the logs regularly to identify suspicious activities. Review security reports to understand trends and improve your strategies. Adjust configurations as needed based on the insights gained from reports. Consider leveraging automated responses to common threats to further reduce overhead. Regularly update the software to keep up with emerging threats. Engage your team in security training to foster a culture of vigilance. Finally, reassess your security strategy periodically to ensure it meets evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.